China, second largest economy in the world, an economy where capital markets are in the process of liberalization, and capital markets being defined as both the equity and stock markets, but also what's going on with currency markets. And you all are a beneficiary of that because the role that Hong Kong plays in that whole internationalization of the renminbi. Clearly, an economy that will ultimately be probably in the next, I don't know what the current wager is, 20 or 25 years, the largest economy in the world. So a place that certainly a company like Bloomberg, which provides a window into companies and countries' activities through the Bloomberg Professional Service, we have to be there. We have total on the ground about 125 people, obviously, as you would expect, mostly in Beijing and in Shanghai. We have about 50 journalists in the market, primarily writing stories about the local business and economic environment. You're all aware that every once in a while we wander a little bit away from that and write stories that we probably may have kind of should have rethought. But China for us is very important. We're very actively involved. I mentioned the renminbi. We're very actively involved in the bond futures market in China. We are, from a news point of view, we produce news in local language, both long-form news that we do on the Bloomberg terminal, but also something called Bloomberg First Word. And for us, being in China is very much a part of our long-term strategy. And will continue to be so going forward. Occupies a lot of our thinking. Dan Doctoroff, our CEO, me, Mike, and other members of our senior team, but very, very important. Obviously, we do a fair amount for China from here. We have about 500 employees here in Hong Kong, and obviously what we do is not only just for the Hong Kong market, Hong Kong city market, but also helping to develop product for the Chinese market on the mainland.